Hey there folks, this is Saul here at Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about General Motors Cadillac Northstar V8s. Now behind me up in the air, we've got this old Northstar that we're taking apart, seeing how well we can get this guy back into a better condition. This vehicle came in and had some pretty serious concerns. We've seen a few of these before, we've dealt with plenty of issues with them. The ones that we like the most are these ones with these split two-piece engine blocks that require complete separation in order to get apart and repair a coolant leak inside the cylinder heads. In the case of what we're doing today, we've removed the engine from the vehicle. We physically have this guy sitting out and underneath. That way we can make sure that we get the best access rather than doing this service in the vehicle. We can go ahead and get this head repair taken care of and get these folks on the way. Now, not a lot of these Cadillac Northstars are still out on the road. A lot of folks, however, are starting to collect these vehicles, and we've seen more and more of them in the past few months come in that are getting major overhauls as they see the value of these vehicles going up in the market. If you've got Northstar and you've got concerns about it, you're not sure if it's a service you want to get completed, and or maybe it's something that's just a little bit too much for your regular mechanic down the street, come and see us here at Autotek. We love difficult projects. We want the challenge. We like to take old cars and get it back out on the road. We're passionate. We're car guys. If you've got a car concern, come and see us. 365 days a year here in Centennial, Colorado. 303-290-9900. We'll be waiting to keep you on the road.